Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone is ready. Update iOS now, because system fixes often improve battery life. Once updated, turn off radios you don't need, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirDrop, because background scans burn power. Next, lower screen brightness to about 40% or enable auto brightness and true tone to adapt to light. These are the first actionable steps. They immediately reduce the largest drains and give you a stable baseline for the deeper tweaks that follow. Now dive into detailed settings. Enable low power mode when you need extended runtime. It cuts animations, mail fetch, and background tasks, so use it proactively. Go into background app refresh and turn it off for battery-hungry apps. This stops them from waking in the background. Also, restrict location services to while using or never for apps that don't need constant GPS. Location polling is a huge hidden consumer. Together, these steps reduce constant background work and extend usable hours substantially. To finish, check settings battery health. If maximum capacity is well below 80%, consider battery service. Use screen time or the battery usage chart to spot apps with disproportionate drain, then uninstall or restrict them. That often fixes surprises. Finally, restart your iPhone after major changes, and if drain continues, reset network or all settings before a full restore. If things still go wrong, a battery replacement or Apple diagnostics is the key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.